Hello all, my name is Karan and I'm the director of Kaycee Associates Limited, a bookkeeping and accounting firm. I have used quite a few systems before I heard of Nomi, accounting software such as Xero and Bokyo, but I've always found something missing or the software was not suitable for my working style. I then came across Nomi through the regulatory body that supervises me. They had endorsed this new accounting system and I thought of giving this a shot. At that time, it was known as Nomisma. I have been using Nomi for quite some time now. What I like and what Nomi boasts of having is a CRM system that communicates directly with the company's house and with the HMRC. It is a one-stop shop for all accounting needs, whether it be bookkeeping, monthly payroll, sending automated pay slips or documentation to your clients, or even your quarterly VAT return submission. Nomi does it all. In addition to this system, I have found Nomi's support team incredibly helpful. I have on numerous occasions requested their assistance, and they have been prompt in their assistance and in resolving any scenario given to them. I would 100% recommend Nomi to any accountants out there.